The Ultimate Detox. 6 fruits that cleanse your body naturally. Welcome to our channel, where we're on a mission to empower you with the knowledge you need to lead a healthier, happier life. In this video, we dive deep into the world of natural detoxification by exploring the ultimate detox. 7 fruits that cleanse your body naturally. From zesty lemons to tropical hydrating heroes like watermelon and cucumber, you'll discover the incredible health and cleansing benefits of these fruits. Our expert insights will help you understand how these fruits support your body's natural detox processes, aid in weight management, and promote overall well-being. Don't miss out on the chance to subscribe to our channel for more informative and inspiring content on health, nutrition, and wellness. Hit the notification bell icon so you'll be the first to know when we release new, exciting videos. Join us on the path to a healthier you. Stay tuned, stay healthy, and start your journey to better health with the Ultimate Detox. 7 fruits that cleanse your body naturally. Get ready to transform your health naturally with the Ultimate Detox. In this video, we'll reveal the 7 fruits that cleanse your body, leaving you feeling refreshed and revitalized. Don't miss out on these delicious detox secrets. In today's video, we're unveiling the secrets of the Ultimate Detox. 6 fruits that cleanse your body naturally. These fruits are not only delicious, but also pack a punch when it comes to detoxifying your system. So, get ready to embark on a journey to better health, all with the power of nature's bounty. Stay tuned as we explore each of these fantastic fruits and discover how they can help you feel refreshed and rejuvenated. Certainly, let's delve into the topic lemon. The Zesty Cleanser. 1. Lemon, the Zesty Cleanser. Unveiling the power of nature's detoxifier. When life gives you lemons, make lemonade. It's a common saying that resonates with the zestiness and versatility of this citrus fruit. Lemons are not only a staple in the culinary world, but also revered for their remarkable health benefits, particularly in the realm of natural detoxification. In this article, we will peel back the layers of the Zesty Cleanser and explore the incredible ways in which lemons can rejuvenate and detoxify your body. The Citrus Miracle. Lemon's nutritional profile. Lemons are a nutritional powerhouse, brimming with vitamins and antioxidants. The most prominent among these is vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that can neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. This not only bolsters your immune system, but also plays a significant role in the detoxification process. Vitamin C supports the production of glutathione, an essential compound produced by the liver that aids in detoxification. But vitamin C isn't the only jewel in the lemon's crown. Lemons are rich in other vitamins such as B-complex vitamins like bone, B2, B3, B5, and B6, as well as essential minerals like calcium, potassium, and magnesium. These nutrients work in harmony to enhance the body's natural detox mechanisms. The liver's best friend. Lemon aids in detoxification. The liver is a vital organ responsible for metabolizing and detoxifying various substances in the body. When it comes to aiding the liver in its cleansing efforts, lemons are a superhero. The antioxidants in lemons, particularly vitamin C, boost the liver's enzyme activity, enabling it to efficiently process and remove toxins from the body. Lemon also contains a compound known as hesperidin, which can protect the liver from oxidative damage. This safeguarding effect is crucial as the liver plays a central role in detoxifying harmful chemicals and drugs that we encounter daily. Digestive health and lemon water. One of the most popular ways to harness the detoxifying power of lemons is by starting your day with a glass of warm lemon water. This simple ritual can kickstart your digestive system, promoting smoother digestion and regular bowel movements. Lemon water acts as a natural diuretic, helping to flush out waste and toxins from the body through urine. The citric acid in lemons can stimulate the production of gastric juices, promoting better digestion. It's also been known to relieve symptoms of indigestion and bloating, making it an excellent choice after a heavy meal. Moreover, the pectin fiber in lemon can help control hunger and cravings, contributing to weight management. When you're not tempted by unhealthy snacks, your body is less likely to accumulate toxins from processed foods. pH balance and alkalinity. The pH level of your body can have a significant impact on your overall health. Many processed foods, sugary beverages, and a sedentary lifestyle can lead to increased acidity in the body, which is associated with various health issues. Lemons, despite their acidic taste, have an alkalizing effect in the body. When you consume lemon water regularly, it helps maintain a balanced pH level, reducing the body's overall acidity. An alkaline environment is less favorable for diseases and inflammation, making lemon an ally in your quest for better health. Detoxing skin and clearing complexion. The benefits of lemon extend beyond internal health. They can also work wonders for your skin. The vitamin C in lemon stimulates collagen production, promoting skin elasticity and a youthful complexion. As an antioxidant, vitamin C helps combat the effects of free radicals, which can damage skin cells and cause premature aging. Moreover, lemon juice can be used topically to lighten dark spots, reduce acne scars, and brighten your skin. By applying a diluted mixture of lemon juice and water to your skin, you can harness its natural bleaching and astringent properties. However, it's essential to be cautious when using lemon topically, as it can be harsh on sensitive skin. Always perform a patch test and dilute the lemon juice with water. Detoxifying recipes with lemon. Lemon's versatility in the kitchen makes it a star ingredient in various detoxifying recipes. Here are a few ideas to get you started. 1. Lemon water detox drink, the classic and simple choice. Squeeze the juice of half a lemon into a glass of warm water and drink it every morning on an empty stomach. 2. Lemon and ginger tea. Combine the detoxifying properties of lemon with ginger, another powerful detoxifier. Slice a few pieces of ginger and add it to your lemon water for an extra kick. 3. Lemon and cucumber infused water. Infuse water with lemon slices and cucumber for a refreshing and hydrating detox beverage. 4. Lemon and kale salad. Mix fresh lemon juice with kale leaves, olive oil, and a pinch of sea salt for a healthy, detoxifying salad. 5. Lemon and avocado smoothie. Blend lemon juice with avocado, spinach, and a touch of honey for a creamy, nutritious detox smoothie. Caution: while lemons are a potent tool in your detox toolkit, it's essential to exercise moderation. The citric acid in lemons can be harsh on tooth enamel, so it's wise to rinse your mouth with plain water after consuming lemon water. Also, if you have a history of citrus allergies or acid reflux, consult your healthcare provider before incorporating lemons into your daily routine. Lemons are indeed a zesty cleanser, a true gift from nature for those seeking to revitalize and detoxify their bodies. Their vitamin C content, support for liver function, digestive aid, pH balancing effect, and benefits for the skin all make lemons a powerful and versatile ally in your pursuit of better health. Whether you prefer starting your day with a glass of warm lemon water, adding lemon to your meals, or using it in skincare routines, the lemon zestiness can truly rejuvenate and invigorate your body inside and out. Embrace the zesty goodness of lemons and let their cleansing magic work wonders in your life. Grapefruit, nature's fat burner, unveiling the weight loss and detox benefits. When it comes to fruits with impressive detox and weight loss properties, grapefruit often takes the center stage. This juicy citrus fruit has earned a reputation as nature's fat burner due to its ability to boost metabolism, enhance satiety, and contribute to overall well-being. In this comprehensive exploration, we'll dive into the various aspects that make grapefruit a remarkable addition to your detox and weight loss journey. A citrus wonder, the nutritional profile of grapefruit. Grapefruit is more than just a flavorful fruit. It's a nutritional powerhouse. Its primary claim to fame is its rich vitamin C content, which is renowned for its immune-boosting and antioxidant properties. Beyond that, grapefruit offers an array of vital nutrients. In a typical serving of grapefruit, you'll find essential vitamins such as A, B complex vitamins including bone, B5, and Bene, and minerals like potassium, copper, and iron. These vitamins and minerals play various roles in your overall health, but when it comes to detox and weight loss, it's the combination of these elements that makes grapefruit stand out. The fat-burning compound. Naringenin. What sets grapefruit apart as a fat-burning fruit? is a natural compound called naringenin. Naringenin is a flavonoid found in grapefruit, responsible for its bitter taste. This compound has been the subject of extensive research due to its potential to influence the body's metabolism and fat-burning processes. Naringenin has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, reduce blood sugar levels, and contribute to weight loss. It does so by enhancing the body's ability to break down and utilize fats, a process known as lipolysis. While grapefruit contains only modest amounts of naringenin, its impact on metabolism, combined with the fruit's low-calorie content and high fiber, makes it a valuable addition to a weight loss and detox diet. Boosting metabolism with grapefruit. Metabolism, the body's ability to convert food into energy, is a pivotal factor in weight management. A sluggish metabolism can lead to weight gain, while a revved-up metabolism can help you shed those extra pounds. This is where grapefruit enters the picture as a natural metabolism booster. Grapefruit consumption has been linked to an increase in metabolic rate. It's believed to stimulate specific enzymes involved in the oxidation of fat, resulting in greater energy expenditure. This means that consuming grapefruit regularly can help you burn more calories throughout the day, even when at rest. The magic of grapefruit for weight loss. The concept of negative calorie foods suggests that certain foods require more energy to digest and process than they provide in calories. While this isn't entirely true, grapefruit comes close to being a low-calorie, high-fiber food that offers minimal calories and significant health benefits. One medium-sized grapefruit contains only about 52 calories, but provides around 2-6 grams of dietary fiber. Fiber is your ally in weight management as it promotes feelings of fullness and satiety, reducing the likelihood of overeating. The combination of low calories and high fiber content in grapefruit can be a valuable tool for weight loss by helping you maintain a calorie deficit. Grapefruit and insulin sensitivity. Insulin sensitivity is a crucial factor in weight management and overall health. Poor insulin sensitivity can lead to weight gain, obesity, and type 2 diabetes. The naringenin in grapefruit has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, making it easier for your body to regulate blood sugar levels and store less fat. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals who struggle with insulin resistance or are at risk of developing type 2 diabetes. A natural appetite suppressant. One of the most compelling aspects of grapefruit in the context of weight loss is its appetite-suppressing effects. A study published in the journal Nutrition Metabolism found that individuals who consumed half a grapefruit before meals reported feeling more satiated and consumed fewer overall calories. This natural appetite suppression can make it easier to control portion sizes and reduce overall caloric intake. Reduces stress and cortisol levels. High stress levels can lead to overeating and weight gain, primarily due to the release of cortisol, a stress hormone that promotes fat storage, particularly in the abdominal area. The scent of grapefruit has been found to have a calming effect and can help reduce stress levels and cortisol secretion. A relaxed mind can make it easier to adhere to a healthy diet and exercise regimen, thus supporting your weight loss efforts. Eating detoxification. Beyond its weight loss benefits, grapefruit is also a valuable asset in the detoxification process. Detoxification involves the removal of toxins and harmful substances from the body, and grapefruit's antioxidant-rich profile supports this mission. Antioxidants in grapefruit, such as vitamin C, combat free radicals and reduce oxidative stress, helping to protect your cells and organs from damage. Grapefruit is also an excellent source of glutathione, a compound produced by the liver that is crucial for detoxification. Glutathione plays a central role in neutralizing harmful substances and promoting their elimination from the body. Caveats and considerations. While grapefruit offers numerous health benefits, it's crucial to understand that it can interact with certain medications. Specifically, it can interfere with the metabolism of various drugs, including statins, antihistamines, and anti-anxiety medications. If you are on prescription medications, it's advisable to consult your healthcare provider before significantly increasing your grapefruit intake.